Hi. This is Brandy Simons. Hope everyone is doing well. I left a few seconds in the beginning if I was just sitting there with a huge smile on my face. That's my thumbnail. Make sure you always do that when you start out your videos. Today I am showing the unboxing of our January beauty box. This is the subscription. This is how it is delivered, and it is delivered that way to cut back on the packaging for the environment. Once you open it up, you see these little peanuts, and these are environmental safe. They are green. They will completely dissolve if in water. You could also use it with your composting, or if you're preparing to do a garden, getting these cut up and put in with the soil will work as well. Anyway, to get on with the unboxing, this is the theme for this month. The best is yet to come, and let me tell you, okay, I say this every month, and it's true. Every month, these boxes get better and better and better. But my recommendation is you get on our elite program and you get these every month. This is a monthly subscription, or let me rephrase that. This is our subscription box, but it can be monthly, it can be every other month, or it can be quarterly, every 3 months. It's based on what you want, how often you use the products, and let me give you a little bit of information. So you always get one complete product, no matter what it is, whatever month it is, you get one full-size product. You get one refill product, which is another full-size product. So our refills come in specialized packaging, just like so. And every time you get this, it is the same amount of product in a refill as it is in a brand new product. It's just different packaging. And every time you get a refill, it is helping our Eden project, which is the deforestation project that helps put trees, every refill plants a new tree. And it also helps with employment in countries where, it's women are going through domestic violence or whatever the case may be. It's helping to employ. So it's a really, really good project. If you've never heard of it, please feel free to check that out. It's called the Eden Project. So to get on with what is in our box this month. So the first thing that it talks about is our time-released moisturizer. And that is this full product. And this is specifically what I primarily use as my moisturizer, just because I feel like it really helps me. I have a combination skin, so I have, especially because I've gone through the changes based on I've had surgery. So I started that really, really young. I had my first surgery when I was only 26. So I have a lot of hormonal imbalances, and so I get a lot of combination skin. Pretty much right straight through here, I get super oily, sometimes through here, but not too awful much. But definitely through here, as you can see, I do get my breakouts occasionally. But this is the full-size jar, anytime, anywhere. And this is perfectly balancing for all skin types, whether you're normal, oily, or dry. Day or night, the silky smooth lotion delivers deep down hydration. And I must tell you, I feel so much better when I'm putting this on. And the next thing that it gave was a refill, and it is a refill for Poker Face. And this is what it looks like. And it's a full, I mean, there's a lot of product in there. And this is a crease and wrinkle relief cream. You put it on, you want to tap it in to where your creases are, or your wrinkles are. And this is what it states in here. It has ingredients such as amino and genostemma, which release into your natural muscle relaxers, which gives an instant smooth for fine lines, wrinkles, and crow's feet. It has a lot of multi-chain peptides, and it works to rebuild the damage, making the wrinkles a thing of the past. It does give a time frame. It does say as little as 60 to 90 days, but I'm going to let you know, I have seen major changes within just one use. So, it's just you put a small amount on to your lines and then just pat it into the skin. Just patting. Once it dries, you can go back in and do it again. The more you do it, the less you can see the wrinkles. Next, I'm going to move on to a tool. The tool that we got this go round is a portable light up mirror. And I'm going to go ahead and take this out. I have one already, which is amazing. This light up, which I don't know if it's got a charge to it right now. It comes with the USB cable in order to charge it up. But I'm going to check and see if this one's pre-charged for y'all so you can see. Maybe. So this is how it comes out. This is what it looks like. This is where you charge it at. And this is your on-off button. And I really don't know if it is or not. Of course not. Bummer. But so when you open it up, this would be the area that would be lit. And it is a really, really good light. It's a really bright light. So that will need to be charged. And you can see from the sizing of it, it's a pretty good size mirror. And it's compact enough to travel. You've got this part of the mirror, which is like mega times. I think it's like 3 times, something like that. And then you have this part of the mirror, which is the normal mirror, which you can see all in my office because it's reflecting on my wall. Okay, next is the Youth Accelerator. I love this product. This is my absolute favorite product. And it is because it resurfaces the skin. So I feel like with all the vitamins and all the ingredients that are in this one, which I know you probably can't see that. And this is just the travel size. But with everything that's in this, it does a lot of brightening. And I have noticed such a difference by using this product. I also use our Drama-Free and Vibrance every single day. But this by far is my favorite product of all times. And it is called Youth Accelerator. And let me just tell you what this says. It has shown a tremendous ability to rejuvenate aging skin. It lessens the appearance of unsightly wrinkles with an ingredient derived from the stem cells of a rare Swiss apple tree. Customers have experienced noticeable improvements of appearances of wrinkles, fine lines, and your overall glow. And that is 100% truth. And the amount of time that this has been proven is as little as 28 days. And now this is a proven fact, that if you do something for 21 days in a row, it becomes a habit. 21 days becomes a habit. This is as little as 28 days, literally 1 week longer than having a habit. So within a week, you're going to see a difference. This is a must-have product. It really is. Okay, next. Boss Babe Planner. Oh my God, I love this. I love this so much. So this is what it looks like. This is how it comes. And it's just a little planner. It is the beginning of the year. It's the perfect time to get yourself organized. And for 2022, this is going to support you in planning your work, your personal time, and even social time. Don't forget to pencil in your daily masking, your daily mask regimen, whatever that may be. We have both To the Rescue and Saving Face. We also have a cooling mask. So whatever mask you're using, you can plan it. So here is an example. And then here is another example. And I have to tell you, I have to read this to you. It's on the very last page, and I love this statement. It says, there is no force more powerful than a woman determined to rise. Like, you can't get a better statement than that. And it has a spot where you can put your goals. And I don't know if any of you know this or not, but writing your goals down is so important. It is literally advertising to the universe. I'm putting this out there. This is going to happen. This is what I'm going to do to make it happen. They also have some really cute to-do lists, as you can see. And then, of course, just some notes. And this paper is so nice. Like, this book is nice. If you didn't get this month's, I'm sorry, but this is huge. And this came in with your beauty box. Okay, next is something new. And it is a brand new product called Redemption Hair Mask. This is what it looks like. And this is a brand new hair mask. It contains active ingredients, tryptophan 3 and panthenol, which is a vitamin B5. It strengthens hair follicles and encourages thickening of the hair. It also has biotin, helps to smooth split ends and softens all hair types. I can't wait to try it out and use it. I do use a, it's called, I believe, Silk Venom, and it is a mask, and I use that once a week in my hair, and I can't wait to try this. I do have a Redemption spray from our company, and that gets your hair super silky soft. So I know this is going to be a really good product. And it does give you, how to use it. And it lists all the ingredients on here, which I'm not going to go through all those ingredients, but it has a lot of stuff. That I know is good. I know is good. Oh, I can't wait. So, and then it comes with another travel size, easygoing cleanser. And this is a good cleanser for maturing skin, for super dry, flaky skin. And it also works really well as makeup remover because it doesn't get, it's not soapy like the Set Me Free. It's more of a lotion-based cleanser, so to speak. It's a cream cleanser, and it's really, really good. I actually notice myself using this more than I do my other cleanser, which gets super soapy. And that is the travel size, and this is what it says. This is easygoing, is especially effective for sensitive, maturing, and even dry skin types. It has ingredients such as sea whip, green tea, and provitamins B5. Again, it's a fabulous cleanser for all skin types. It does say on here as well, it also is a great makeup remover. Now, those are the products that came, but as you can see, they also come with a promo code. And this month, the promo code is $50 off $150. It also comes with an unboxing code that you can scan your phone to and be able to see our corporate office go through the unboxing of this beauty box as well. So that is all I have for this month. This is a really, really good box. I am very sorry for the people who did not get it, but I also did want to mention on the back of the pamphlet is the Eden Project, and it goes into more detail about what that is and how important our refills are. So if you are an elite subscriber, make sure when it is time to get your next product that if you already have the container, get those refills. It does make a difference and it does help. But for now, ladies and gentlemen, that is all I have. Thank you so much for watching. And on my YouTube, please make sure if you could subscribe and hit that reminder bell. I do try to do my unboxing every month by the end of the month. So with that said, doodaloo, have a great day. Bye.